G'day folks, welcome back to another update on natural gas. It's Pete's Investing, the 16th of September 2024. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So what I've got here is the monthly, the weekly and the daily charts for natural gas. Now you can see here on the monthly, it's very neutral. Our CCI 150 is within the moving average band down here, and the price is just broken into that moving average band of the price moving averages. On the weekly, it's broken above the moving average band of the CCI. Likewise on the price, are giving us a bullish signal. And on the daily, likewise, it's been above that moving average band for a number of days now. But also notice on the daily, we've got this key resistance at 25.71. It's bounced down from there after breaking up through this minor resistance at 23.78. So we expect this to retrace a bit more to the downside before making possibly further upside. So again, remember my trading strategy is always about trading based on the higher time frame. So if you're trading on the daily time frame, we go in the direction of the weekly. In this case, we're going long only. We don't take short positions. If I show you the hourly charts, if you're trading on the intraday, we only go in the direction of the higher time frame, in this case the daily. So again, only long positions. Now you'll notice here we did have a move to the upside. It broke through this minor resistance as I mentioned. But at the moment, we do have a bearish divergence. Slightly lower highs on the CCI versus higher highs on the price. And that coincides with this resistance up here at 25.71. And I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement here, the 23.38% level. And that's our minimum retrace level. And the way that's drawn, for those new to the channel, is we look at the Fibonacci range between that low to that high. And that's at 23.38% retrace level. So that's a minimum retrace. If it breaks below that 38% level, and that also happens to be this previous support, then we're going to see further declines, and we're going to start measuring down to the 50%, 61% and so on. But we take it one step at a time. So at the moment, we only take long positions according to the daily. But notice the daily as well is retracing back towards that moving average range. So we might find a neutral positioning in the coming hours or days. For BOIL, on the monthly, there is no CCI for the monthly, but notice it's pretty strong decline on the price chart. So that's a bearish outlook. On the weekly, we do have this, still have this bullish divergence versus lower lows on the price. And that price is looks like it's going to hit a double bottom at the moment, but still declining, although we do have a bullish divergence. So just be mindful of that. We might see a bounce anytime in the coming days or weeks, possibly. And on the daily, you can see there it's had almost a double bottom, and hitting this support at 8.14, and it's making moves to the upside at the moment. So again, only taking long trades based on the daily and the weekly at this point, but very cautiously long trades, and have a very tight stop loss if you're trading that. We do have a minor support, resistance here at 11.03, but that's still rising. Now if we go to the intraday, the 1 hour chart, again taking long trades only, and you would be taking long trades when the CCI breaks above. At the moment, the CCI and the price is broken below their respective moving averages, so we don't take long trades. We wait for that to break above the moving average range here, like you would have taken a long position back here, and then close it out when it hit that moving average range on the CCI. So you would have taken a little long trade in that position there. At the moment, avoid going long or short until we see the hourly break higher as well, in line with the daily showing bullish movement. KOLD on the monthly is showing a bullish movement on the price. There's no CCI just showing for it at the moment, still populating. On the weekly, it is a pretty, has been bullish for some time now, for a number of months. And you'll notice the price is broken above its moving average range, although notice the CCI is just touching that moving average range, giving us a neutral signal. So avoid going long or short if you're trading on the daily. Now on the daily chart, it actually did hit this key resistance at 85.10, broke through this other minor resistance at 81.14, and moving further to the downside. Notice the CCI is giving us a bearish signal, and it looks like it's falling further to the downside. So again, predominantly short positions on this one if you're trading on the intraday. So if you look at the intraday chart, the 1 hour chart, taking short positions only, and you would have taken short positions at each of these points where it broke below the moving average range, and closing it out when it breaks into that moving average of the CCI. And you would have had a last trade happening at that point there, broke up, and then closed it out with a small gain on a short position on that point there. Now it's broken above the CCI on the 1 hour chart, but avoid going long until we see the daily break to the upside as well. So predominantly only short positions should be taken on the intraday at the moment. Lastly, looking at UNG, it's been pretty strongly bearish for a number of months and years now, and the CCI is still below its moving average range, although actually no, it's broken into that neutral range at the moment on the monthly. On the weekly, we do still have this bullish divergence, higher lows on the CCI versus lower lows on the price, and the price is still bouncing very slightly. The CCI is broken above its moving average range, giving us this green signal. On the daily, it bounced off this support at 12.57 and now is currently approaching back towards this resistance at 15.20. It's already hit it a couple of times before, and currently we're still bullish on the daily. Now if we go to the intraday, the 1 hour chart, again going long only based on the daily chart, taking long positions only. Now in this case you would have had a couple of little trades and closed them out each time it hit this moving average range, and the latest trade would have been probably broken above the CCI range there. You could have closed it out there, or if you're trading based on the price chart, you would have closed it out when it hit that moving average range of the price chart. I like to get out early when it hits the CCI range. That gives you an early signal. Then enter it again when it breaks above there as well, and then close it out again. You can see there that you would have got out on that red candle there based on the CCI hitting that moving average range of the CCI moving averages. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, support us more on the Patreon page, links in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.